So good morning. Welcome to morning session. So now we will do two kinds of breathing practice. For the first 2 minutes, we will do the conscious breathing. We will focus on our body movements with each breath and see how the breath is behaving in our body. Second, we will do the yogic breathing. So what is yogic breathing? You have to do the breathing with the count. We will inhale for a count of 4 and we will exhale for a count of 8. So this is the law of nature. Whatever you take, you have to give the double. So even in breathing, this thing comes in. So when you are inhaling, give 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for a second. Then exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do on your own 5 times and then just sit in silence. And you have to just set the intention. And actually today, from now on, I do not want to set the intention from the past, because recently what I have learned is many a times we want to heal our past, and whenever we are healing the past, we are thinking of the old challenges. We are actually going back there. We are giving our energy to the old things. Oh, I want to heal this, I want to heal this of my feeling, this or that. But I want you to set the intention for your bright future. Okay, maybe you are having some issue with your husband, with your daughter, with somebody or anything. From now on, I want you to bring your focus on your future or your present. How you want to be in future, not how was you and now how you want to correct your behavior. So now from now on, we don't want to go in correction. Earlier I was doing focus on the problem, focus on the situation. Now we are not doing that. So we will just look at how we want to be in future, maybe today, maybe after one week, 1 year, 10 year, whatever comes to you. Because this is what I have realized. Even when we are dragging the past, we are actually, when we are doing the practice, we are sometimes dragging our past in the present without knowing it. We have to cord cutting, and how can we do the cord cutting is we have to think of the future. Think of your aspiration, what you want to be. We need not think of the past. So when we do this practice for a certain period of time, you will become like, you will embody your the quality of the future self of you. And I want all of you to, for the first month, focus on yourself, only on yourself. Welcome everyone. I can't see. If you all can turn on the video, it will be great. JLCCMIJSE. I can't see. Okay, so I'm telling about the routine. So I want you to focus on the future. Now we are not going to focus on the past, what happened, what need the healing. No. Now we are focused on our present and how we want to be in the future. So we will be visualizing. I want all of you, if you just set one intention for 21 days, same intention, same thing, because manifestation only happen when your desires get the intensity. So when you just focus on one thing for 21 days, a lot of time we want one thing, and but still I had find it challenging to just focus on one thing for 21 days. We may be wanting something for 21 year, but when we sit, our mind just wanders here and there. We want this also, that also, everything. So for now, I want all of you to pick one thing, and preferably one quality that you want to embody in yourself. Currently, whatever you are feeling, oh, I am lacking discipline, I'm lacking consistency, I can't record video, or I'm shouting. So whatever one quality, only one quality that you want to imbibe in yourself. So I want all of you to set one intention. You can set any other, but it should be just one. And I want all of you to put in the chat box what is that intention of yours. Because when you are saying, you are also committing, okay, I will be committing to this thing for 21 days. Else, second day, third day, you will switch to any other intention. And it is okay if you want to be a calm mother, you want to be more playful, anything that comes to you. So for me, I am putting like playful mother. Recently, I have not given that much time to my kids. So this is one thing I want to do more of. So I want to be a playful, joyful mother. So all of you put it, and nobody is here to judge, but we are setting the intention so that we know what we want. A lot of time we want many things, but we are not clear what exactly we want. Okay. Anusha, you also have to write consistent in what, productive in what, because consistency is such a word. We do 100 things consistently, but at the end of the day, we are not doing one thing. We feel we are not consistent. We are not productive. Be very specific on what thing you want this consistency. I give this example. Have you ever forgotten to give your kids the food? Any food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, any day? Anyone, have you forgotten that? Yes, homemaking. And what does homemaking means? So you can put it like, I will be recording video for 20, I will be posting video for 21 days. So I do not want you to take a challenge every day record a video. It takes a lot of time and effort, and I know it. So you can take a challenge for 21 day consistently, I will be posting video. So one day you can just do the scripting. Another day you can record two, three, four videos. So like that, it has worked for me, and you can also try. You can make it a little more specific. I want to be posting every video every single day is starting from Monday. So give yourself some time also, because many times we set hard things and then we are not able to do it. Okay. Um, I think Anandi has not put anything. And after that, we will be chanting Om for 21 times. And again we will be sitting, and you have to visualize whatever is that, like let's say I have written playful mother. I will be visualizing how I am being playful around my kids. Anusha has written video making, so Anusha will be visualizing how she is making the video, how she is doing the preparation. Vaishali, you will visualize how you will be, what time you are reading your अपना जो भी आपको read करना है, right? And Rupal, you have to visualize you're waking up in the morning, and also with that, I want to you to visualize how your day is flowing. When you are waking up at 5, what is that you are doing? Waking up is just one thing, okay? If you're not having anything attached with waking up, again you will feel like, okay, ठीक है, उठ गई, फिर से सो जाती हूँ, right? So that is also important. So when you wake up at 5, what is that thing you want to do when you wake up at 5? Is it writing your gratitude? It is doing some chanting? Is it your reading? What is that you want to do when you wake up at 5? So put that also with waking up at 5. Waking up 5 is okay, you will break, your brain will say, oh, you wake up, then you can sleep. But put some task that you want to do when you wake up at 5. And now let's sit down and settle and okay, great. And keep this same intention for 21 days. We are not going anywhere. We need not change it. Okay, same intention for 21 days. I want all of you to have visualize, and you will see how effortlessly it is becoming for you. Okay, and same thing we can continue after 21 day for some other thing. But I really want all of you to be consistent on this one intention. Even if you are not joining the session, just visualize it when at your pace. So now let's do the conscious breathing, gentle and slow inhalation and exhalation. Your neck should be parallel to the ground. It should not be up. I'll guide that for some time. Take a deep breath in. Inhale, hold, exhale. Your focus on the body movement, how you are bending your chest, rising and falling. Now let's move to the yoga breathing. Slow and gentle deep inhalation and exhalation. Inhaling for a count of 4 and exhaling for a count of 8. If it is not possible, try to do it 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Think it over. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Parallel means Vishali, not lying down. Your neck should not be like this up. If you are sitting, your neck should be parallel to the ground. And I should be parallel, not like this, not like this. Should be straight. So let's do 3 more times on your own and then visualize the intention of yours. Now visualize yourself, whatever intention that you have set, doing that. And just focus on that one activity intensely and deeply. And also feel the feelings that you are feeling while doing this activity. Now we will chanting Mahamrityunjay mantra for 12 times and then we will be also chanting Om for 21 times.
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे ऊर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृता त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् 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 ऊर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृता
Shweta, you are on mute.
Yeah. So now we will be going to do the Om chanting. And when you are doing the Om chanting, when you are saying Ah, focus on your sacral chakra, on your Nabhi. When you are saying U, focus on your solar plexus chakra, just below your chest. When you are saying Ma, focus on your throat chakra. And just feel like an energy ball is flowing from your sacral chakra to here till, if you can go till here. So Aum, we will do that, and it also activate our, this is kind of a sound healing practice. It activates your energy points, our chakras. So after you do that, you become like a, magnet. So whatever is your intention, just stick to that intention. Do not go anywhere here and there, and just visualize your intention coming true. You are doing that activity. After this finishes, just visualize yourself doing the thing that you have set the intention for. For a minute, we will be in silent. And then we will write whatever intention we have written. I will also tell one more process. So let's start. If you can hold the yoga mudra, it will be great. Your thumb and the index finger should be touching and making a circle, and it should be like this. Like this you can do. We can sit. Keep your hands on your thighs, and we will start the chanting. After you finish visualizing, I want you to bless each and everyone present in the room or in the universe. Whoever is setting the good intention, let it be true. Just bless everyone. कि जिसने जो भी इंटेंशन रखा है, सबकी सारी इंटेंशन, सारी इच्छाएं पूरी हो. And we will close with the Asatoma. If you know, you can chant with me, or if you don't know, you can just listen. Keep your eyes closed. First, let's bless us, everyone. If you know the names, you can take the name and bless. Now we'll close with the invocation. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityormamritam gamaya. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. We'll also do a little prayer for each and everyone's blessing. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukha bhag bhave. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining today and making the morning so blissful. I'm really grateful to each one of you.
Thank you, Shweta.
Thank you,
We're
dear.
also grateful.
We'll take a photo and we will leave that. Thank you. If you can turn on the video, it will be good. Thank you. And share the feedback in the group so that more people join. And after this 21 day, I had planned something more amazing. Just be consistent, keep coming for 21 days. And then I had some more beautiful things that I had planned. So let's see how it goes and keep blessing other people. And the main thing that we want to do is we do not want to curse anybody, think negative about anybody. Whatever they are doing, everyone is operating from their own thing. They also are operating, everyone is having their own challenges. So even if you find the most challenging person, just bless them. So we can't change anybody, but we can bless everybody. So just pass on the blessings to each and every one. And thank you so much for joining and making the day so beautiful. See you tomorrow at 7:30. And from tomorrow, I think we'll also do some journaling. And now also, I want all of you to write something. Now also, if you want, you can do that. Let's do today only. So take your pen and paper or notebook and write whatever the intention that you have set. I want you to, like, now we have visualized how we are being with that. We have to write visually, and then kinesthetically, or also we have to write like when you are doing this thing, what is that you are saying to yourself, what is others are saying about you, about to you yourself, and how is that you are feeling in your body when all these things are happening. So it is a wax exercise to embody the feelings within us. So let's do it now only.